guys, Isa here with the Rug Colorist. I just wanted to give you of this Chinese rug we've finished restoring. This was heavily faded from alkaline products being used on it for years. We were able to successfully match this the outside to the inside of the fiber. You can see it's a perfect match. And we have also restored the fringe. This or the border. The border was heavily faded before. As you can see, this rug has come out beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The customer is absolutely going to love it. You see some of the areas here. This is just shading from the pile. This rug came out so beautiful. You can see that we have used the airbrush to restore all this intricate parts here that could not have been done with a syringe or a spray bottle. So we've used the airbrush developed by Colorful Carpets on this rug, and I just wanted to give you a quick visual on how nice it came. So if you have any rugs that have faded area or uneven faded or stains, you can find us on the website www.therugcolorist.com, or you can find us on Facebook. It's The Rug Colorist. We have 2 locations currently, one in Tampa Bay, Florida, and one in Castro Valley, California. That's San Francisco Bay. So here we go. Here's a beautiful rug. It is 8 by 10, and you can see the colors have been restored beautifully.